Empire Builders Planner in 2025, you're going to need to get your order in the next few days. And then afterward, if you don't get one, you're just going to not have one. You're going to have to go get a Franklin Covey or something else that we won't be on the same page. Last year in Myrtle Beach, we announced that this is going to be the planner that all Team Pinnacle associates will use. It's amazing for not only planning out your time each day, but it's also a great tracker. It's a great goal setting and goal chasing mechanism. So definitely go to empirebuildersplanner.com and order it. They're only $40. You might say $40. Yeah, to plan your entire year. Do the math times 365 days. You're talking about pennies, right? You got to be the people that are the best planners become the most efficient and the most productive, and they make the most money in this business. If you're not used to using a planner, then this is a light bulb moment conversation right now.